Hello everyone, this is Leaf from LUMI Legend. Here is one of our production centers for steel mounts. A variety of quality steel products are produced here and shipped around the world. Today, we'll explore the entire production process to see how they are made. Follow me. Here is the raw material area. Before processing, incoming quality control will be conducted on all of the sheet metal to ensure a perfect beginning. As a year's experienced buyer, LUMI is capable of sourcing raw materials at a very competitive price and offering our customers with a stable product supply. Now, we're in the stamping area. Nearly 80 stamping machines are busy working here. We have both full automatic and semi-automatic production lines for various products. In the full automatic line, the modern robotic arms catch parts, stamp precisely, collect finished parts all by themselves, which improves efficiency, controls quality, and lowers the production cost. In the semi-automatic stamping line, our highly skilled workers produce steel parts with the help of stamping machines and inspect carefully according to the strict standard operating procedures to ensure that every part is made defect-free. After stamping process, our quality control engineers will check the appearance and size of the parts again to make sure that they meet our standards. We keep worker safety in mind and require all workers equipped with protective wearing during product processing. In the welding area, the operators wear glasses to protect their eye. Of course, the robotic arms won't be absent. After operators set up the parts and align their positions, the robotic arms start welding automatically for more effective production. Quality control is also required in this step. Before parts go through paint or powder coating, our quality control engineers will inspect the appearance and examine the welding parts to guarantee that all parts meet specifications. Powder coating is one of the most important processes. First, we hand and clean the parts, perform degreasing and surface activation. Then, clean the parts again. After drying, the workpiece will be electrostatically sprayed and heated for longer lasting performance. Again, quality control engineers will check all parts before sending them to the assembly line. Finished parts will come out soon. Here is the last step: assembly and packing. There are over 20 semi-automatic assembly and packing lines in this area, and every step is based on strict standard operating procedures, which removes any possible mistakes. Look at those 7 big guys. They're full automatic packing machines that sort and pack screws, nuts, washers in the accessory bags of every package. They help a lot in promoting packing efficiency and accuracy. One more time, you can never be too careful when it comes to inspecting products. Before sending them to the warehouse, our finished quality control engineers will check all products again, resulting in best quality. The entire production process has strict quality control, and our highly skilled workers help to offer the best quality products. For sure, we'll continue to improve and try our very best, help our customers to stay ahead of the market. If you're not one of our customers, why not give us a try? See how we can help your business bloom.